Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Wallet and confirming Apple Cash is active. This links your balance to in-app purchases. Next, enable Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode so purchases authorize quickly. This is required for security. If needed, add or verify a backup debit card to top up instantly. Once done, open the app you'll buy from and select an item. Choose Apple Cash as the payment method to begin the purchase flow. You now proceed to checkout and explicitly select Apple Cash as the payment option. Tap Change Payment if another method appears. Make sure your Apple Cash balance covers the full price. Otherwise, set a backup debit or card to cover the remainder automatically. When the totals look right, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This final step authorizes Apple Pay and finalizes the in-app purchase immediately, giving you a receipt and transaction record. To finish, review the receipt in Wallet or within the app to confirm the merchant and amount. This helps with refunds later. If the charge fails, first confirm your Apple Cash balance and your device's network connection, then retry authentication. Sometimes restarting the app helps. If problems persist, note the transaction ID, contact Apple support for Apple Cash issues, or reach out to the app developer for merchant-side errors, because resolving the why often requires that specific info.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.